Roofing news for May 13th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe. And below this video, I put the links so you can watch the full video or article. And let's get started. We have Roofing 101, a cool roofing software. They have a basic demo on how to draw the lines. So how would you draw eaves, ridge, hip, valley, pitch? They go through all that so you can kind of get a good demonstration on how Roof Snap works. And S5 Metal Roof Innovations, they talk about changes in code and what is your responsibility for maintaining your standards and coding and everything else that you need to do for metal roofs. And Brian McDonald from Inspections Estimate gives some good pointers on what to look for, like with hail damage, and how he can help you with supplements. A video here, skylight leak repair and the mold damage. More for the UK, but maybe if you have tile roofs, here is a cool machine to clean the roofs. You'll see, look at the dirt and grime before and then after pictures. How to put in a vent, and it's a great way to practice your Spanish. If you ever wanted to do green roofs, if you have clientele that might be into it, this guy did it right. He sounds Russian, but he did a green roof to his chicken coop. So you might get some tips and ideas. It's a perfect way to practice if you want to get into green roofs. Becca Switzer, great advice. We all start from the same place. We're basically, a couple decades ago, we're all crapping in our diapers, as she points out. And in roofing sales, you start in the same place, but you can get ahead and do great. So great, inspiring video. The D2D experts handling objections on the doors. It's just kind of one demo you can take a look at. And it's always great to start your Monday morning with the best damn roofer. You'll like where he takes a leak before he starts his job. So that is the news for May 13th, 2019. It is brought to you by the Roofing Webmasters. If you need more local leads, give me a call because we are the best roofing website company in the world. And that is because of 6 reasons. We have way more content, the best review reputation software. You get a custom design, not a custom template. We've done over 300 roofing websites, 100 times the coding, and we're constantly tweaking the websites so that you get phone calls and leads. So give me a call or a text at 303-519-6353, 303-519-6353, and I will tell you how you can grow your roofing business. So that is it for May 13th. Have a great day on the roof and be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.